Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play Pewdiepie's LWIAY theme, and how to play it on a chromatic harmonica. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. For phrase 1, blow into 7 twice. Blow into 9 4 times. Breathe in through 9 3 times. Blow into 9. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 8. Blow into 10 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe into 7. And blow into 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 8 3 times. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 9. And blow into 8 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, please check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.